Everyone's talking about digital products nowadays, but let's face it, many ideas are completely saturated. Today I'm going to show you 10 hidden gems you can start selling in 2025 before everyone else catches on. If you're tired of seeing the same recycled ideas, you'll want to see this list. Stay with me until the end and I'll show you the way I'm finding digital product ideas for products that practically sell themselves. You won't want to miss this, believe me. And because some of you might still be skeptical, thinking that digital products are just scams or don't really offer value, let me take you back about 15 years ago when I first bought a digital product myself. I think this story will help you see things a little bit different. At that time, I owned a car that would constantly flash a message on the dashboard telling me that I need an oil change or other checks. Sometimes it made sense and sometimes it just came out of nowhere. And let me tell you, as someone who's a bit OCD, that flashing light drove me crazy. I just couldn't stand seeing it on my dashboard. So I'd go to the mechanic, he'd change the oil, hook up his computer and reset the light. But here's the problem, sometimes the light came on for no reason at all. And then I'll have to make an appointment, drive 10 miles and pay for the mechanic to just plug his computer to my car again to tell me that it was nothing. The mechanic even told me it was a common issue with my car model. If you don't like it, just reset the light, he said. That's when I found it, a simple digital product created by someone who had probably been as frustrated as I was. This person, likely with the same OCD tendencies, had figured out the solution and turned it into a product for people like me who couldn't stand that annoying light. It was a simple one-page document really. It showed a picture of the dashboard with the exact combination of buttons I needed to press to reset the light myself, and problem solved. And you know what? For just $5 I paid, it was hands down the best investment I could have made. I never had to waste time again driving to the mechanic or paying for unnecessary resets. That $5 saved me countless trips and gave me control over something that used to drive me nuts. Now think about that for a second. That small digital product saved me time, money, and a lot of stress. And that's the kind of value digital products can bring. And these days, the market for digital products is bigger than ever. That experience made me realize something really important. Creating a successful digital product boils down to one simple principle: solving a real problem. The key to success is finding a niche and addressing a specific need. Now, while you can absolutely branch out and create products outside your main area of expertise, the most successful digital products often come from sharing what you know best. It's about leveraging your unique skills, and if you're open to learning new things, you can always expand that expertise. So let's get into some of my top digital product ideas that are in demand and ready for you to create right now. Notion is booming as a productivity tool, and while there are plenty of templates out there, the potential for creators offering something unique and well crafted is still massive. I've seen people earn impressive amounts with this, some making $1,000 in their first month, while others are hitting $20,000 per month or even more. If you can find a niche and provide real value, Notion templates can become a great passive income source. Notion templates are perfect for more than just simple organization. They can address specific needs in many areas of life. For example, imagine creating a wedding planning template, dedicated checklist to keep track of each task, a guest list with meal preferences, and a budget tracker. I'm sure that if you're familiar with the wedding industry, you can come up with many useful ideas. Or think about helping small business owners in a niche you're familiar with by creating templates to manage projects, deadlines, invoices, all in one place. The key is to design templates that solve real problems in a simple, user-friendly way. AI is finding its way in our lives if we like it or not. Tasks that took days are now completed in minutes thanks to powerful tools like Midjourney or ChatGPT. But while AI can be a game changer, many users struggle to get the results they want without the right guidance. And that's where you come in. By creating and selling targeted AI prompts, you can fill in a significant gap in the market. Consider niches like mindfulness and personalized meditation exercises, language learning, or social media content creation, areas where tailored results are in high demand. With platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Prompter.io, you can easily start selling your prompts. Find your niche and you could build a steady income stream in the booming AI space. Start by thinking about your own experience and challenges. Think about the problems you've solved or areas where you've gained expertise, and consider how you can create prompts to help others address similar issues. Printables have been popular for a while now, but in 2025 the trend is moving towards curated theme-based bundles. Think digital planners specifically designed for launching an online store, or social media strategy pack tailored for influencers from different niches. The key is offering a cohesive all-in-one bundle that provides value. If you have experience in a certain niche, that could be the key to creating something that resonates with others. But it's not only about creating the product. Don't forget to research and see if there is demand. As more people get into online learning, the demand for polished course branding kits is rapidly growing. Course creators are looking for professional assets, think slide decks, worksheets, or other educational materials to elevate their content. This space is still wide open, so if you can design high-quality themed kits, you could easily become the go-to creator for educators. You can even take it a bit further, branching into YouTube channel branding kits. With new creators popping up every day, there's a growing need for digital tools that help them maintain that consistent professional look. Custom kits for YouTube channels could quickly become a valuable niche for you. Moving on to digital pattern packs for crafters. Whether it's embroidery, sewing, or knitting, handmade enthusiasts are always on the lookout for fresh designs. By creating theme pattern bundles like seasonal motifs, minimalist styles, or even vintage-inspired designs, you'll be adding high-quality options to a market that's often lacking cohesive packs. These packs can be especially popular with crafters who love personalized, handmade touches but don't always have the time to design from scratch. Next on the list, printable board game accessories. As board games make a comeback, there's a growing interest in personalized touches. Think downloadable scorecards, tokens, or even custom board designs. Many enthusiasts love adding unique flair to their games, yet platforms like Etsy have only few customizable, downloadable options in this area. Traveling is fun, but it can get costly without a clear plan. So if you know a specific destination, consider crafting guides that can save time and money. Try guides for families with kids, like what to do in Costa Rica with kids, or couples guides with playful challenges for exploring new places together. You can offer travelers customizable guides where they can add their own itineraries. Create them easily in Canva using the free plan and design them like solo traveler or eco-friendly traveler to target different type of people. If you're into manifestation, consider creating vision board printables. This niche has relatively low competition but high potential, especially with specific themes like couples or teens vision boards. You can use platforms like Creative Fabrica to source graphics assets and create templates that customers can easily personalize, making it a fun and impactful product to offer. Language learning printables are a growing space with plenty of potential. You could create planners, worksheets, or themed posters like Italian basics or Learn Sign Language. You can easily create language learning printables using Canva to design visual appealing educational resources that help learners stay engaged. And if you have some language learning experience, you'll know exactly which areas have the most potential, like grammar-focused worksheets or vocabulary building planners, making it easier to target the most in-demand resource. Finally, preschool printables are a great opportunity. Parents and teachers need affordable education resources. You could create simple worksheets like alphabet tracing, number games, or matching flashcards. Fun themes like animals or natures make the learning process more engaging. And if you feel adventurous, you could even try creating kids' comic books. AI tools can help you generate ideas and assist you with content creation, making it easier to get started. And here's how I come up with digital products myself. First, I consider my target audience. What are their interests or problems? Then I ask myself, how can I help them by using my background and my experience? It wouldn't make sense for me to create products for new mothers, for example, because that's not something I can even experience. I believe that the key is to align your product ideas with both your audience's needs and your own strengths. For example, if you like escape rooms and true crime documentaries, you can create a downloadable pack with clues and instructions for solving a fictional crime. If you like movies or certain series, for example, you could create trivia games. What's important when researching ideas is to use trend tracking tools like Google Trends or Everbee. It makes no sense to create a product if there is no significant demand for it. For instance, one product I found trending on Etsy is video templates for content creators. Another great niche seems to be interior design templates. If you have experience in a specific field, think about the unique needs of that profession. For example, lawyers, dentists. I'm sure that they would gladly invest in digital products that would save them time or effort. I believe the secret isn't in following the crowd, but in looking at what you have to offer and spotting unique, underserved niches that have demand. So, are you ready to start selling? Let me know in the comments. And if you're here, don't just watch, be part of the crew, hit the subscribe button. And now that you know how to find digital product ideas, it's time to learn which platforms are the best for selling them. Click here to see the next video.